Hi guys, second day of training. Medyo interesting kanina yung mga nangyari. First, yung trainers namin kanina, they made us practice hard agad nung earlier part of practice. Medyo intense yung practice agad kasi they want us to do everything as hard as possible na nga. Yung like running the drills, kahit yung sa shooting, kahit yung rest period namin may ginagawa pa rin kami. Tapos after naman nung drills, medyo light yung weights kasi parang recovery day yata ngayon. And then after nun, nung afternoon, we played 3-on-3 lang basically the whole time. Yung groups namin yesterday, yun pa rin yung teammates namin. What's interesting is kanina, kahit 3-on-3 lang yung games, napansin namin yung intensity ng bawat isa sa amin kasi everyone wants to win. Kahit 3-on-3 lang yung games, medyo nagkainitan pa nga kanina, medyo nagkasakitan, medyo maraming nasabi. Tapos medyo naging emotional din nung beginning kasi may nag-breakdown sa mga nangyari kasi medyo hindi kinaya. Ayun, pero natapos naman namin. Maayos naman yung practice today. Yung kasi nga 'di ba puro 3-on-3 lang nung second part. Medyo light yung practice overall. Nakuha pa namin lumabas, nakuha pa namin gumala. Yung something good came out today. Si JP may bago na siya laptop. Tapos everyone got to go to the outlets, may mga nabili naman sila. Ayun, after that, medyo relax na kami dito. Pero I think hopefully tomorrow mas focused pa kami and sana mas nag-improve na kami kahit nakakadalawang practice pa lang kami dito. It's still a long way to go, pero I think we're gonna get where we need to be come UAAP time. Sa akin naman, no complaints, ganun pa din. I think expected na to kung ano naman yung mga mangyayari ngayon. Kailangan lang mag-focus, hindi dapat mag-distract. Medyo itabi mo na lahat ng mga extracurriculars, kailangan mag-focus sa basketball kasi it's one time big time thing na lang, so kailangan nothing less than a championship na. So I have to do everything na what's told para maging successful yung campaign this year.